Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing and a review of the Cape's Impact MagSafe Armor Case. So this is a case which Cape's released very recently, and one of the products I've used from Cape's is the skins that they make. So I already have a review of it for the Pixel 4. I'll leave the card on top right hand corner so you can check it out. And I'm very excited to check this one out because, as they say, you can actually apply skins on the case of your choice. So that's really good. Now they offer quite a lot of skins for this product, and I'll leave the links in the description if you want to check it out. So let's go ahead with this. Also, I forgot to mention, this is for 1300 or like 1400 rupees, and I feel it's not that expensive, but again not very cheap considering there are other brands like Spigen, UAG, ESR. I mean, there are hundreds of different brands, but I've been mainly using Spigen, so I wanted to try something different because what Spigen was offering wasn't really that exciting for the 16. The Pro, they have few more options for that, but for the regular 16, I wasn't really surprised or like amazed with the options they were providing. So I'm really excited to check this out. So enough of rambling. Let's just see what this case is all about. All right, here you go. Okay, so they apply the skins already, so that's great. So you don't have to go through all that effort of applying the skins properly, so that's good. Let's see what this is. Okay, that's the case with this beautiful design. Now this is the one I ordered. They have, like I said, they have a lot of designs from which you can choose. I personally like this one quite a lot. Thought this was something different, so yep. That's it. All right, so as you can see, it has the MagSafe. Beautiful. And here you have your power button, cut out for the capture button, and you have volume up and down. You also have the action button, and you have the cutouts for the speaker grill and USB-C. Great. All right, looks really nice. Also, you have the skin for the camera bump, which is great. I'll see if I like it. I'll actually put this on, or maybe I'll just remove it. You have two of them, so that's cool. You also get the cleaning kit. Now I don't think so you really need this, but okay, maybe it's for the skin for the camera bump. So if you want to do that, you have to use this. So they provide that, which is good. What else do you get? All right, how to apply the skin. Now this is something we don't really need because as like I said, the skin is already applied on the case. So, but if you want to check it out, you can do that. They give you the QR code, you can scan it, and they'll show you how to apply it. And of course, you have the cleaning cloth. It's good quality, and you have the Cape's branding. Really nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's see how it fits on this case. Okay, it actually looks really nice, not gonna lie. Feels really good. I'm actually amazed. The feeling of the case, like when you hold it in your hand, you feel that this is a very, very premium case. It's all matte finish on the side, so that's that. But I feel it's very comfortable in the hand. Yes, definitely, that's a very good thing. And the buttons are good, very clicky. Yep. They're a little hard to press though, just a little bit. So that's something you might need to get used to, but I don't think so that you'll have any issue with this. It's just a matter of getting used to. So yeah, as you can see, all the cutouts, everything looks very well aligned. Yeah, so yeah, overall I think I'm pretty satisfied with this. You know what, let's go ahead and apply the skin for the camera bump, just so I can put everything in one video, so you won't have any issues later on if you're following me. So first things first, I think we'll remove the case. Okay, Now let's apply some of this alcohol wet wipe, and let's use the cleaning cloth that they gave along with this. Okay, let's apply the skin. So it's really delicate, so be careful about that. This is something I have to do off camera. Sorry about that, guys. I just have to see I don't mess this up. So there it is, guys. I put this on. Take your time, do it carefully with patience, and you'll get it done. So this is how it looks with the skin on. Yeah, it looks pretty good. You get an extra one too, just in case you mess it up. Now, like I said, it also has MagSafe. So let's do a MagSafe test real quick. I have this Stuff Cool power bank. Let's go ahead and put this on. There you go, it's charging. Beautiful. And it sticks really well. That's perfect. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this review. This case is really good. I 100% absolutely recommend this case. It's a very well designed case, looks amazing, and protects your phone really well. As you can see how deep the camera bump sits in and how it protects the screen all around. The edges like super raised, but not so much as like which interferes with, I don't know, a lot of things. But I think the overall protection of this case is very good. Overall, very well made case. I have no complaints so far, and I highly recommend it. I have like I said, I have the links in the description if you want to check it out. Lot of designs to choose from, and also if you like such videos regarding a particular device, like small series or something like that, maybe buying some additional accessories for it. If you like these sort of videos, do let me know and I'll continue making them. Hopefully I can upload more videos in the future. And I've also done an unboxing of this phone in the previous one. If you want to check it out, the card is on top. You can just click on it and check it out, and hopefully it is of use to you. So guys, I'll end this right here. Thank you all for watching this video, and if you liked it, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next video really soon. Peace.